Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's. We're about to board our latest listing, a 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX has only had one owner since purchased brand new from the local Sea Ray dealer. Features include a hydraulic submersible swim platform. You can see tucked up underneath the integral swim platform. Sea deck throughout the entire cockpit. And as you can see, a convertible chaise lounge in the aft area. Coming on board, nice wide walkthrough. This is storage right here. Got battery switches right here for both engine and house. These switches here will operate the engine hatch and the tower, which is great if you're in an area that has a lift or a short bridge. Other features of the boat include this swivel port side double wide seat with a thigh rise. And you'll see in the photos that facing forward, and then 3/4 moon, or excuse me, horseshoe shaped seating configuration, and storage throughout all of these seats. We have more seating here, aft facing, a cockpit sink, little cooler, trash receptacle, cockpit refrigerator, storage here. Coming forward here, we have a nice port side dash with a head. Moving to the starboard side, nice size helm with two displays which are built from Simrad. We have GPS chart plotter and all your engine gauges, fuel flow, that type of thing. Joystick control right here, electronic controls here, in a huge bow area. This 310 SLX is also equipped with a Windlass, which has foot switches and a bow shower here so you can wash down your anchor. The owner of this boat is moving on to something larger and is motivated to sell. And that's it for our 2019 Sea Ray 310 SLX. If you have any questions or would like to see this boat in person, please contact Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.